YouTube, look what I got here. Remember this? I planted this back. I had a video. I planted this back in February, and I believe in March I moved to a smaller or bigger container. And today is the 30th of May. Look where we are. Crazy. It's starting to get tendrils. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this, because I know that when the winter hits, it's not going to be able to do too much. So I may put some bamboo in here to let it trellis up. Hopefully the greenhouse will be done before the winter, and I'll just stick it in the greenhouse. But let's see how well she knows her plants. Hey babe, you know what this is?
No, what it is?
Take a guess.
Whoa, no.
Oh yes.
Passionfruit.
Yep.
Yes, I see. Brazilian passionfruit.
Yes.
See how strong.
Yep. It got tendrils now.
Wow, wonderful.
Yes, so it's been in the front yard in the driveway. So what I'm doing is I'm moving it back here. And since it's starting to get its tendrils, I'm going to put bamboo support and let it do its thing. I'm going to also add some of this leaf grow to it. See if that triggers some growth. Some quick growth. So let's go with this one. This is about 9 feet, maybe. Here's some of that leaf growth I was talking about. I think next year I'm definitely getting more of this stuff. So far this year I put manure on this and fish emulsion. But it's looking good. All right, that should be enough. Water it in. There we go. Looks so pretty.